Now, you might be in line to present an assignment or report in front of the class using PowerPoint, but you're also required to share the printed PowerPoint slides with your classmates. The problem is, printing PowerPoint slides with the background wastes ink. Therefore, it's best to print only the text without the background. To learn how to print like this, you'll need to watch this tutorial until the end. Go to Print View by selecting the File menu, then Print. Change the settings on the left from Full Page Slides to Outline. The print preview will change from the slides to just the text. Then, you can print directly by clicking Print and see the results. Easy, right? That's how to print PowerPoint slides with just the text. I hope this tutorial is helpful. See you in the next video.